Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Get off of me. I don't care.
That's what it is.
You see this, babe? I hope you see this.
I don't say it, but you got. I don't touch you.
Really? Alright. I'm gonna sue the shit out of you.
What you gotta do?
A stranded traveler, a thrown chair, a ripped keyboard, and an arrest that raises 3 separate felony questions. What does Georgia law actually say about each of them? And did the officers get every step right?
This one right here?
Yes, right here. You need to be arrested.
What's going on?
So, I'm not even supposed to be in Atlanta, right?
Okay.
I get on the, I land here. I missed my flight all because they didn't have a ramp to take me off of the flight. So now I missed my flight. I get my flight rebooked. Mind you, I was supposed to be home 3 days ago. So he's telling me I'm on standby. I got the fuck mad.
So you destroyed their property?
I destroyed their property. What property did I destroy? I threw a chair that's destroying property?
They said you broke a computer or something?
I broke a go check and see what computer's broken. Go see if you see a crack on the screen or something.
That's what people telling me.
Okay, they can tell you whatever they want, but I threw one chair and I walked away. Because I started fucking crying. Because I'm mad and I have the right to fucking be mad. I was supposed to be home 4 days ago. I did not break anything. I threw a chair.
You got your ID on you, man?
The fuck, bro? Like...
Hey, anything damaged? Anything broken down there?
I'll take my okay.
Like, here you go. Can you go in there to see anything broken?
Since I fucking broke, son. Please tell me what the fuck I broke. Here you go.
I'm Officer Boyd, okay? Yeah.
Fuck out of here, bro. I really know. Like, I don't even give a fuck. I don't care. I don't give a fuck, yo.
Radio 1702. I got you in
I'm still gonna fucking sue Delta. The fuck, I was supposed to be home. Now I'm fucking mad and taking my anger out. I destroyed property. Get the fuck out of here, yo. I'm not even supposed to fucking be in the state, first of all. I was supposed to be home 3 days ago. But these airlines keep canceling, delaying my flight, and I'm not supposed to be upset about that? Oh, now because I'm upset, whatever, yo. I don't give a fuck. I really don't care. Like, this is funny as fuck. Before you pick up my bag, you're gonna rebook me a flight so I can go home. How about that? How about you sit down and settle that before you go get my luggage? Can you do that for me? Can you put me on another flight with another fucking whatever? I don't care. If it's the same airline, I don't give a fuck because I'm still gonna sue their ass. But it's just a simple fact, like, are you gonna put me on a flight so I can finally get home? I've been trying to get home for 3 days. I was just in a whole other state yesterday, now I'm in a whole other state. I'm not supposed to be here. So what are you gonna do? That's the question. That's what I'm trying to get you to answer. What are you doing right now?
95 BMI.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on here?
Right now, I'm trying to see if they say it was damages. So I'm trying to see
what
if it was damages.
What the fuck did I damage?
They say you broke the computer.
I broke the computer? Because there's no computer. If you want to go walk over there, there ain't no computer on the floor. Look, I should smack the shit out of who fucking lied to you and said I broke something. It was you?
Don't do
the
that.
Fuck? Yeah. I'm more than frustrated. Sir, I was
mad,
supposed to be home 3 days ago.
Take it out of the room.
You want to know something? Delta is the reason why I'm still here. And then for them to say I'm put on standby and I can't go home, like, that's crazy. I would have never missed my flight had y'all had the stupid ramp shit together. How the fuck y'all don't have a ramp for people to get off the flight and then have us wait in 30 minutes? I know it's not your problem. You can get fucked less because you're not going through what the fuck I'm going through.
We're going to call corporate security.
She broke a
mouse and all of that.
Tried to take the keyboard and break it too. So that's
so we need our ID, we need to see everything. But we need to call corporate security. Yeah, I'm going to call corporate security.
So you see I'm not lying, right?
Okay.
But I know you know.
Because I called the tower, yeah.
You need to be arrested.
Yes.
Yeah. That's unacceptable in front of passengers. People got babies down there.
So she broke the
yes, that's at D8.
Yes.
She was at D6 and
she ripped out the mouse out of the computer at D8.
The wheelchair.
And the whole keyboard, she flung it across.
So that corporate security.
Is anybody possible? Because I don't want to leave her by herself. We anybody possible to take photographs of the damages?
No.
I need her boarding pass. We need her boarding pass.
That's what they
Sorry.
say. Oh, that's y'all. That's the whole thing. Like them two.
She's
Yeah, the moms and everything. You heard that.
We need her boarding pass and her ID because I need to see her confirmation.
Because she can, we're here in the middle of the conference.
That's all she did was take the rip the mouse off the thing. Yeah, she said she did a chair, but yeah.
And them two doors on these.
Well, what happened at D6?
Excuse me. What did you say about the D6 doors?
I saw her down in the door.
Okay.
And from what the ladies over there said, that sounded like she was slamming the wheelchair against it too. But I didn't physically see that. But I was just coming out that door.
So this happened at D8. And she banging on the door at D6.
D7 and D6.
Because the flight was leaving at D6. But she started D6 and then she was leaving on the concourse.
All right.
You called 911?
Ready to go. The mouse, keyboard, and all that.
No, the agent called 911.
Hey, officer,
You always come.
I know it.
I
I swear, every time I'm here, it's going down. Like, I ain't like, I was like,
That's the only thing that's gonna fucking help with it. People don't give a fuck, so you still wanna talk to them? Alright, go ahead. Here.
Who this?
Just,
This your dad?
just listen to what he has to say, please.
Hello. What's going on, man? Alright. Everybody good? Alright, miss. Stand up.
I'm getting arrested?
Yeah, you get arrested.
Nah, I'm not getting arrested.
Yeah,
That's some bullshit. No, I'm
Just
not.
stand up.
No, I'm not. I'm not getting arrested. The fuck? Shit crazy.
I know. Just stand up.
No, don't touch me. Get off of me. I'm not playing. Get off of
No.
me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You
Get
going-
off of me.
you going to
I don't
jail.
care.
That's what it is.
No, I'm not. Get off. Get the fuck off of me, yo.
Sis, I'm not
Bro,
trying-
get the fuck
I'm
off
not
of
trying
me.
to
I'm
hurt
not
you.
playing, bro. Bro, get off of me, bro.
Sis,
Get off of me.
don't get no more charges.
Bro, get off of me.
Sis, don't get no more charges. I'm not trying to hurt you.
Get off of me.
I'm not trying to hurt
See
you.
that? You see this, babe? I hope you see this, babe.
I don't say it, but you know it. I don't want to hurt you. Sis, I don't want to hurt you.
Really? Alright. I'm gonna sue the shit out of y'all.
Do what you gotta do.
It's all good.
You just want more charges. You don't care about that.
It's all good.
Put your shoes on.
No. It's all good.
Put your shoes on. You tripping.
No, y'all tripping.
No,
Fuck
you're
you
tripping. Nobody want to do nothing to you?
Sure.
I got a
Of
mind
course
and a
y'all
wife.
don't.
I
Of course
want to do
y'all
something to you. Put your money back.
You got a man, you got a woman, you got a wife and a kid, but you're a man and a female.
If you don't want to listen,
Fuck? Shit corny.
listen.
I'm not even from here. Niggas trying to get
I
home
ain't
and
from here either.
y'all sitting here trying to lock me up like I'm a victim just cause 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wanna fucking make me look crazy. Fuck out of here.
Chill out.
The fuck you looking at, bitch? The fuck? Stop fucking looking at me.
Chill out,
Y'all
y'all.
funny as hell. Especially you. With your corny ass. Ugly as hell. That ass bitch. I'm trying to fit. What you talking about? We both wearing blue and I look better than you. Fuck
You a model? Okay.
bitch. I know. Ha 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 ha.
Georgia Code CGA 161139 disorderly conduct. Throwing a chair in a crowded public terminal satisfies the element of violent or tumultuous behavior regardless of emotional motivation. Lessened frustration is not a legal defense to a criminal act. The subject voluntarily stated, "I threw a chair before any arrest." Under Georgia evidence law, this is a statement against penal interest. It requires no Miranda foundation and is directly usable at trial. Voluntary pre-arrest admissions are among the strongest evidence a prosecutor can have. OCG A 16722 A1 intentional property damage exceeding $500 is a felony. OCG A 16723 A1 damage under $500 is a misdemeanor. A ripped mouse and flung keyboard can cross that threshold. The dollar valuation of damaged equipment is the single fact that determines felony exposure here. Illinois v. Gates, 462, U.S. 2, 131983. Probable cause is assessed under a totality of circumstances, not on any isolated fact alone. Admission plus 2 independent witness accounts equals cumulative probable cause. Maryland v. Pringle, 540, U.S. 3662003. That standard requires only a fair probability, not proof beyond a reasonable doubt. OCGA 17420. A warrantless arrest is lawful when probable cause exists to believe a felony was committed. Officers do not need to witness the act. Lesson: a 6-minute evidence gathering process before arrest is not delay. It is the correct procedure that protects the arrest from legal challenge. Graham v. Connor, 490, U.S. 3861989, forces judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene, not with hindsight. Physical resistance during a lawful arrest justifies proportional physical control. O.C.G.A. 161024. A refusal to comply with a lawful arrest order is misdemeanor obstruction. O.C.G.A. 161024b. A verbal threat of violence against an officer escalates this to a felony. Miranda v. Arizona, 384, U.S. 4361966. Any statement made in custody without prior Miranda warning is subject to suppression at trial. Civil liability under 49 U.S.C. 41712 for airline service failures is a legally separate track and does not constitute a defense to criminal charges. 3 lessons from this incident. 1. A voluntary admission before arrest requires no foundation and is fully admissible. 2. Resisting a lawful arrest converts a property misdemeanor into potential felony obstruction. 3. Building probable cause through documented witness accounts before arresting is the procedure that makes the arrest legally defensible. The arrest is on camera, the admission is on camera, the resistance is on camera. But what charges were actually filed? Did the damage reach the felony threshold? Was the verbal threat prosecuted as felony obstruction under 161024b? And did the airline's operational failure create any civil liability in parallel? The answers to these questions determine whether this ends as a misdemeanor or felony or something more complicated entirely.